Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go wild
And versatile. Mama Sue style. Pips, so you don't know no. It's Mama Sue and the crew cooking for me and for you. Yes, it. So Mama Sue, what is on the menu today?
Right now, we have some. I'm going to do some steamed fish with okra, pumpkin.
Where's the pan it? Why?
Pumpkin, carrots.
Oh, hold on, peeps. And you don't know. We are going to do some melon juice. Fresh melon. Fresh melon. Fresh melon. Fresh melon. Yeah.
I'm going to cook some flour dumpling with cornmeal.
White yam.
Yes, peeps, and some white yam.
Corn.
So yes, peeps, you don't know. Thank you for all the love. Thank you all for all the support from Mama Sue Kitchen. You don't know, continue to like, continue to share. And you don't know, if it's your first time watching this video, don't leave yet without hitting that subscribe button. And you don't hit the notification bell, as Mama Sue said. Where's the Mama Sue?
Bing!
There you go.
And when I upload new video,
you will get notified.
hey.
So right now we are going to dive into it.
So stay tuned.
Yeah man, stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. So peeps, I'm going to get behind the camera right now because you don't know, say, me do the camera and the flipping and all of that. So I'm going to show you the fire. Because Mama Sue not play when the fire blazing up, peeps. Yeah.
Mama Sue have to
Keep the fire blazing. See the people. Yeah man, Mama Sue and the crew. Mama Sue and the crew cooking for me and for you. I don't know, we have to represent the big old Jamaican flag mount up right here, say, you know. We love Jamaica, we not sell out. Yeah. See it there? Yeah, man. See me still cut up the veggie them there?
Yes, peeps, make sure they're nice and washed and clean.
Yes, peeps. And you don't know, if you don't follow the thing, you don't know these are some fresh yellowtail. And that that one right there is Spanish mackerel. It's the family of kingfish. So, I don't know if we are going to steam it. You think we're going to steam it too?
If a family of kingfish, yes.
Yeah, alright. You don't know, one pot. Yeah man, what if I meet the pan? So we are going to steam up the Spanish mackerel, family of the kingfish, Jamaica say slice fish. And we are going to steam it with the yellowtail them. You don't know, yeah man. The one you go wild and versatile. Mama Sue style. Yeah man, see eh? What you say? This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style.
I see them a piece. Mama Sue grand boy, you know. Always the way kitchen there, you know. I tell a boy go can cook. Yes, babe, see eh? Yeah. So you don't know, Mama Sue always keep the fire blazing. Always keep the fire blazing. Yes, peeps. What? Banana there. Pumpkin. This a melon there with the melon juice. Onion there. Corn there. Yeah. And you don't know corn over here so again. And where Papita go on? He always in a song crying thing.
Because it's cut.
Oh, something wrong with the hand? Oh, Lord. White yam, we don't have yellow yam today. Okay.
Because of the bandage.
Oh, you take off the bandage. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah, peeps, and that a go on in the kitchen. Yeah. See that pot go on for fire? Yeah, man, cover it up, Mama. So. Why, this a fire. Hey. There could never be another jingle or another intro. It would have to be Mama Sue keep the fire blaze.
Come on. Why would you do that?
Blazing. Mama Sue and the crew. For me and for you. Yeah. Keep the fire blazing. Mama Sue and the crew.
Yes, peeps, you have to keep the fire blazing.
Say it, Papito.
Mama said,
Say blaze. Hey, Tony, look up. Say blazing.
Mama Sue, keep the fire.
Blazing.
No, make Tony say it.
It's a wanna go
Say here,
wild.
And versatile. Mama Sue style.
See, Daddy, he said it.
You say blazing?
Blazing.
Okay.
Blazing.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna catch him this time. All right, Papito, come again. Papito, come again. Say it. Yeah, peeps, these are great memories. Papito is 2-year-old now. 2-year-old, so
Almost 3.
peeps almost 3. Yeah. Well, November the 21st, he might go be 3. So he might have a couple more months, only a months to go. You see me I say? Yeah. Oh yeah, he's 2, right?
You reach the day?
Yeah.
You
Oh, and
forgot to show
Alia.
me.
Yeah, hold on.
One time
Oh.
for the birthday girl.
One time for the birthday girl. Yeah. When is your birthday, girl?
May the 5th.
Ooh, it's right around the corner. God, yeah.
Pop for the birthday. It's not your birthday.
Hey, girl, when is your birthday?
March the 18th.
There you go. So your birthday gone. Birthday gone. Oh, we are next year again.
One time for our birthday.
We are next year again. Yes, peeps, it's all about the energy. It's all about the vibes. It's Mama Sue and the crew. So people enjoy. Hey, just stay tuned in and full join yourself. That is the vibes. I don't know, we're just cooking some real Jamaican authentic food, and that's how we do it. Ladies and gentlemen, vibes, you know, vibes. Yes, peeps. So, yeah, you don't know, behind the scene, and me, I do the flaming. Yeah. And me, I do the flaming. You know, when the pot cook, and me, I got taste the pot. Yeah. Me, I do the flaming. You know, when the pot cook, me, I got taste the pot. Yeah. And Mama Sue and the crew. I cook for me and I cook for you. And when the pot don't pot, now me, I got taste the pot. And when the pot don't cook, say me, I got taste the pot. Yeah. And when the pot don't cook, say me, I got taste the pot. Yeah. And Mama Sue and the crew. Cooking for me and cooking for you. And when the pot don't cook, say me, I got taste the pot. Yes, people. Versatile. Yeah, man, that's how we do it.
So wanna go wild.
And versatile. Mama Sue style. Oh, we are going to set on the other fire, Mama Sue. Papito, move your truck now, brother. Or if you park, or if you have truck in the kitchen. Or if you have Mama Sue truck in the kitchen. Move your truck, boss. Forward, sir. Forward, yeah. My youth, I want to truck this. What is 4-wheeler? And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And Mama Sue think this a thing original, now go flap. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And Mama Sue and the crew, cooking for me and cooking for you. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. Yeah, man, wicked and wild, versatile, man. Yeah. Only for talent around here, you know. Versatile, wicked and wild.
Put a little salt in the pot.
And Mama Sue put a little salt in the pot. And when the pot start bubble, this a pot, yeah, now go flap. And I say the fire, it a blaze. And I say listen to the lyrics, them will enter your ears. Oh, Mama Sue, I love the pot, you know, yeah.
You just
Real Dutchy, this in a peeps.
Yes,
Dutchy.
real Dutchy.
It's a Dutchy, mate.
Jamaica.
All the way from Jamaica. It's a Dutchy, eh? Oh, yeah. Big up to all that Mama Sue England fans, them, you know, because we're soon in, peeps. So big up to all the London people in the house right now. The British people. Big up to all the mates. Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so big up the whole of Jamaica. You don't know. Big up the whole of China. You don't know. Big up the whole of London. Trinidad. Yeah, boy, we here doing it there, boy. We doing it over here, boy. Yeah, Trinidad in the house, so you don't know.
Big up, big up, big up.
The whole
big up.
United States. We see everybody we're tuning in, you don't know. Thanks for the thanks for your subscription, thanks for your like, thanks for your comments.
Thank you for your love.
Thank you for your love. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And mama so thing, and this a thing can't flap. And mama so, and the crew. And mama so cooking for me and for you. Yeah. Yes, peeps, that's the vibes. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. Yeah. And versatile. It's Mama Sue style, mate. Well, go on, yes, sir.
Finish, cut up the pumpkin and stuff.
Yeah.
For the fish.
Me mind on peeps. That's a peeps. Me mind on this thing.
Wow.
Me mind on it. Because when you cook heavy, you know. Make you sure everything is holding up there.
Yes.
Should.
Yes, still holding here, sir.
Papito, what going on?
Put it.
Oh, yeah, we're going to steam in your pot. Oh, yeah, we'll cook the food in your pot over there, sir. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. And when the pot done cook, say me, I go taste the pot. Alright. Papito, how you? Put this over here, so go and ride the bike over there. See, I have the bigger, you know, say I have the bigger one to this and, well, I will not keep it because we left it out of doing in the rain.
What happened?
You know, mash up. You know, far we go drive, go buy this and something. Go churn to the other. Papito, come now, man, stay back this way, man. Go over here.
Yes.
Play the soccer ball, man.
Yes, let's keep them to play the ball.
Yes, the clients are forward. And when the pot done cook, oh yeah, caramel dumpling, my favorite, and I'm sure it's your favorite too. Caramel flour dumpling, as mommy would say, flour dumpling.
Flour brothers and a dumpling, never make with it.
Yeah, flour dumpling. And when the pot done cook, we gotta taste the pot. And mama so. Peeps, look, fresh rosemary. Just cook from over mama's. Just pick from over mama's so far, right over there. Mama Sue.
Keep the fire blazing.
Blazing. Malibu. Hope we can shut this up before bad light.
Yeah.
2 pot run, 2 fire run.
Flour ready?
Yes.
Let's see what I go on this. Fully need.
Yes. Fully.
Fully active.
Alright.
It's a boiler?
Yeah.
Start had them right?
No, I didn't mean it. I'll put them in my bottom.
Peeps. Today what, the 30th?
Yeah.
No, the 1st. Yesterday was the 30th. Oh, yesterday, peeps, the 30th. That makes 1 month since Mama So started our vlog, peeps. I mean, I tell you, it's been amazing. Yeah, man, thank you for the motivation. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the like, the share, and the comments. You understand me? I say, Yeah. I will just go keep the fire blazing because guess what? You guys enjoy it. I see the comments. This lady, I don't remember her name, but lady, big up yourself. She said, boy, I should go. Oh, no, not kick it. Oh, kick it with Catty?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a brown stew chicken, so shut. Yeah, you're a brown stew, so shut. Hey, go and go help him now. Alia, help him now. Yeah, kick it with Catty. Yeah, you're yourself to make some brown stew chicken. You don't know that. I go. Shut up. We're going to deal with that. You see me, I say? Try remember some of my subscribers there. Michelle, Mavis, Lordy. Wish me have me other phone. You have a phone for you? No, let me your phone. Let me your phone. Let me big up the subscriber. Who comment? Open this thing. Open this thing.
It'll be too thin. That is soft, yeah. You have to go to the top and then mash up.
And when the pot done cook, I go taste the pot. And there's a mama so thing, and there's a thing I can't go flap. Mama so.
They're soft, yeah. And then you go and mash up. It's like potato. Soft. Never line it.
No, sir. He's sitting there and say, want to discover the only thing we want to discover here. Mama so thing. Yes, peeps. So right now, me are looking at the comments them that are on the rice and peas and the breadfruit punch, fry fish. Sean Miles, big up yourself. Up. TV Nation, big up at TV Nation. Big up. Mr. Thompson, big up yourself. Maureen, big up. Oh, Sweet Mouth Kitchen, big up yourself, Sweet Mouth Kitchen, up. E Green, big up. Oh, Tristan Stewart, big up, you don't know. Kick it with Catty, big up. Yeah man, you're stew chicken. So sort out, you don't know. Michelle, big up yourself. Okay, Miss Morgan, big up. Yeah, Lorena Morgan, big up. Lioness, big up yourself, Empress. You don't know. Yeah. All heap of respect for the support, you don't know. You see? Yeah. Mama Soul style. You don't know, peeps. You don't know. So I go on, yes, sir. Keep the fire blazing. And versatile. Mama Sue style. Mama Sue keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go wild.
And versatile. Mama Sue style. Yeah, mad. Yeah, well, on. So I'm going to jump in at the comment section right here so I see if I see anybody else. Let me see it. Miss Kiori Blue, big up yourself. Marianne, big up my sister. You don't know. DJ Wicked, big up yourself, brother. Up. Yeah. boy. And I can't pronounce some of the name when I say. But big up on yourself, boy. Even though you own the name, big up on yourself. Deborah this, Deborah. I think big up. Jamaican Dan, big up. I don't know. Yeah, Jamaican Dan, big up yourself. Deborah or Deborah, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Alright. Baba Shango, big up yourself. King Shango, big up. E Green, big up. Maxine Thomas, Maxine, big up yourself, Maxine. New subscriber, you don't know. All the way from Antigua. Yo, big up the whole of Mama So Antigua, you there, no?
Yes, yes.
All over the Caribbean, you don't know. All over London. You in London too, Mama Sue? Yeah, in China. Big up Mr. Chin or Mr. Pow or Mr. Chang. The comment, the subscriber is actually in Chinese. So, big up Mr. Chin, Mr. Chang, Mr. Pow, Mr. Peng. Yeah, Ganishiwa. Yeah. Don't worry, Mr. Chin. We go cook chicken fried rice. We gonna cook chicken fried rice on Mama's own kitchen one time for you. Don't worry, we can do it too. Okay. Don't worry, we cook chicken fried rice. Don't worry, we cook chicken fried rice for you. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Peeps, me just do a little quick scan through the comments. So big up to all Mama Sue subscriber. Big up to all you don't know, the new viewers, the new followers, peeps. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe before you leave this channel. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peeps, the versatile, the wicked and wild, you know. Yes, trust me though. Full of vibes. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Alright, peeps, eat ya. The melon juice is preparing. Melon juice are prepare what? Season up, season. Now I show you some season up the fish. Wow, steamed fish with food. This I wanna go.
Why?
And where it a go do? Our food style.
Versatile.
A food style.
Versatile.
A food style.
Mama food.
Okay.
Yes, Pete.
See there?
Use some Maggi seasoning.
Trouble. Yo, we are the master.
Seasoning.
What you master over here, sir? Yeah, me G. Sing it up. Say, Mama Sue. Tony, come. Look now. Look up in that camera.
Who for style, Tony? Mama Sue?
Saying go on, man. Saying go on, man. Watch your fire, you know. Please, watch your fire. Come around there, sir. See your face. See your face. Come, Tony. Come around there, say, yeah, man. Guys, why I mean, I know. You know, like shoes, you know, what and you. Sure. That's good still, yeah, boy, picking. Tony, come over here, son of brother.
Come, Baba.
Papito.
This is the mommy.
Papito, come. All right, come, no man.
Come here.
Over here, son.
Come on. Come sit
All right,
right
fire.
here.
Let's sit right over this.
Come sit right here. No.
No.
Sit over there.
Nice. The peeps, it's season up. Mama, so maybe you shouldn't bust them fish in a toast, you know? Oh, okay.
It's cocomelon.
Okay.
Sit here.
Boy, I love cocomelon.
And once it's home. No, you gotta take that what I'm giving to you. Mama, so you gotta put it in
Because it's supposed to bubble up. Yeah, man.
I'm trying to give you people.
Wash it, man.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Roll it.
And press.
Pat it. Put it with a what? There you go. Don't even remember that song. Mark it with an M for Mama Sue.
Put it in the home for. Put it in the pot for. Put
Mama and Mama Sue and me.
Mama Sue and crew.
Mama Sue and the crew. Mama's thinking the fire blazing, 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 blazing. Woy. Watch it, Mama Sue. We need you, my friend. We need you. You can't afford to burn up yourself now. We need you. We need you. The fans, them need you, Mama Sue.
I'm here.
The people, them need you, Mama Sue.
Here. Not going nowhere. I'm here.
Please stay here, because we care, my dear.
I'm not going nowhere.
Still a roll flour, Mama Sue.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yes, please, we finish roll.
Drop them in the pot, Mama Sue. How this is your store?
One for you and one for me. People, first time there's people always count the dumpling them.
No, sir, them are back in ideas.
Yeah, no, me said back in
Mean
ideas.
people,
No, them have to say, well, that one after one and one after that.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yes, I will get. You have to do it.
me say, you know, say what they are, when me I go fishing, you know. Mama cook the ackee and saltfish, quick and fast. We not even did flip now and then. Because the one where she have up now, the best ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
But me have to tell her, say, run it again. And me I tell her, say, you know, I will heap of flour you cook, you know. Because a 7 me take out, you know.
Oh my.
A 7.
Jesus.
A 7 flour me take out. And me say, alright, I go bring them on the boat.
Yes.
That will hold me for a man.
My goodness.
I mean, I tell you, God Almighty, true. By the time we reach Key West, the 7th floor of them, yeah, man. No, a lie me I tell. Then I'm 6 by the time we reach Key West. And you see one from me go up on the boat. Me I said, no, sir. Now I'm going to save this. The cloth was the last one when I dip on the boat before we go.
Yes. Yes, you're okay. Yeah, we want to big up Colors and in crew.
Oh yeah, Colors, big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama
yeah,
Sue
the general cooker. Socks. That time we are going to come and taste your cooking.
Socks are really hot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know the real ones. Them one.
Yeah, the general socks. Puppy. Theodore. Climber. And the crew. I remember some of them names.
But my mind is some little shake in this one over there, you know, so.
Oh.
Yeah, but now you know how to do to that.
Okay.
Them personal things.
No.
Just a big up Colors.
Yeah, and the
Good
crew.
youth, Colors are good youth.
Yeah, man. Good youth, man. The life
good
going,
youth,
you
man.
know.
Humble can't stay, man. Humble.
Humble youth, man. Just want to meet them face to face.
Soon, man.
Soon and very
Before
soon.
the time, you know, man. Mama soon.
Yeah.
We'll keep the fire blazing. What? that will be water collaboration. My gosh.
So when I go wild, eat some of the real breadfruit.
You see, you knock this one is.
Yes, we knock it.
And it broke?
Of course, we knock them.
Oh Lord, yeah.
Let them stop. And it's up close.
Yes. It broke. Ooh. Whoa. Peeps, check this out. Check this out. Show no what going over here, so peeps. See it there? Yeah. So I'll go on in there, but yeah. Nice.
Yes, please. Now put in the okra, the pumpkin, and the carrot now.
Looking good, Mama. So, me not lie to you.
Uh-huh.
It's about nice.
Yeah, I mean, put in the...
The onion and the mayonnaise up there already. Yes. Some people do it, well, you can't do it wholly pasta. You know,
Yeah,
some people
different.
chew and everything and put in the fish
Yes,
and all of
yes.
that something there.
No.
It can't work that way there, but
Yes.
you don't know. Never mind now. Our Mama Sue say wild and versatile. So we do things a little bit different over here, you know. Yeah, man, we do things wild and versatile. Different style. Mama Sue style.
Put in the
Coconut milk now. Wow. Put some more.
Yes,
Some more down by the fire. Ah. Yes.
this one.
Sometimes things here just, sometimes some things in place and it's for a reason you don't even know. See, look how long they sit them over this one. Look how long the ground them over this.
Oh. Put in some.
That's too much.
Mm-hmm. Put in some. Some garlic. Garlic. This piece, we put in some pimento grain. Flavor.
Yeah,
Piece of
peeps.
ginger.
Why? Mama saw the fire really blazing. The fire really blazing. Yeah, the fire really blazing. Yes, peeps. Go check the flower pot now. Wow. But I may want some more water tea, eh? That's true. Wow. Yeah, put some more water in it. Fire on that way, I put water in it because fire on that. So normally people should put some warm water in it. But the cool water can't work because fire there on that, you know? And I know it. Put some more water in it. Put some more water. Yeah, put more water in it. No more today?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come in over water.
That should be
good.
Yeah. I want to find this a white here, my man. It look good. Can I take some more water in it? Yeah, man, take some more water. I know, but put some more water in it. Because I must say soon thing, you know. Wash off the spoon. Okay. Papito, be careful with the box. I'm not going too close. Yes, peeps. I'm going to stir up the veggie pot now for the steam fish. Wow. Steam fish not going to eat, you know, peeps. So just vegetables and coconut milk. And if Susan gone for the cover, because we need the cover. We need the cover for send up some steam under the vegetable. Look good though. Nah, look real nice.
Yes, peeps, I'm going to put in some butter now and then the fish.
Come on.
Look, peeps, lovely. Lovely. Pumpkin, give it a nice color. Lovely, peeps, yes, lovely. Yes. Yes, peeps, I'm going to drop the fish them now. Drop them in the ocean.
Fire ocean.
Yeah, the fire ocean. Wee, wee, wee.
It's peeps, you see where we get the comedian thing from Mama.
Fish them a ball, peeps.
That's just confirmed.
Come drink this. Come drink something.
It's a pottery purse. Whoa, sorry.
Oh, Mama Sue.
No. Sorry, Jesus. Sorry, just skip, man.
Yeah, there.
Just still skip.
Skill like Dr. Gill.
Come, Mama.
Yeah, I think this is kingfish. General kingfish. So when I go wild, peeps and versatile. One pot of fish.
Fire on there, man. Yeah. Nice.
Yes, peeps. I'm going to blend up the melon and ginger to make the juice. lot of sweet. Lovely. Lovely melon juice.
Melon and ginger, that nice. I go circle the pot and see what I go on Mama so.
Yes, yes.
Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. Wow. You want to smell it?
Oh my. Wow.
Nice. Yes, peeps. Food ready. Everything ready.
Ready like Freddy.
Ready like Freddy. Ready like Freddy.
Yes, peeps, the ship dock.
Yeah, man.
Time to share.
Hush, man, you know, ready. Ready, me, ready like Freddy. Ready. Drop up some ice to the some ice to the melon juice, melon and ginger. Yeah. And Mama Sue and the crew cooking for me and she cooking for you. And the pot done pot say me, I go taste the pot. Taste the pot. And Mama Sue and the crew cooking for me and she cooking for you. When the pot done taste say we, I go taste the pot. Pot. Versatile, wicked and wild. Mama Sue style. And when the pot done cook say we, I go taste the pot. You think Mama Sue? Mama make you cooking for me and you cooking for you. And when the pot done cook say we, I go taste the pot.
Stop with the chips, please.
Yes, please. Ice tonight now. Whoa. Get some of the ice tonight. You want taste? Peeps, I don't know if you don't see Papita, you know, but Papita say you want taste. Don't know if you don't go see. Wow, that's enough. Taste it. Yes, peeps. Watermelon juice with ginger. Nice.
Ginger?
Not ginger.
No, you said ginger.
I said ginger. Papita, that good man. Wow. Alright. Peeps, no sugar added. Really good. Alright, Papi. You never want the sugar at all, you know? Give me that fish. Which one have you?
I don't want the fish there.
Yeah. Mama saw me now and all heap, you know. Just 6 dumplings I want and enough then. Just 6 dumplings.
No more.
And when the pot done taste, so I go taste the pot. Nice. There's some veg, you know. Yeah, fish. Yeah. Show the piece. Yeah, go show it. Yeah. Yes, Pete, see it here?
Your fault here.
Oh. This all over. Peeps, see it there? Lovely. Beautiful. Oh my God. Hold on, Papi, come taste it. Yes, Father God, bless this food, sanctify it, purify it. Purify it in Jesus' name. Bless the hand that cook it. And bless everybody, including myself, that helped to prepare it. Yes. Hold on, boy.
Hot.
Yo, come, man. Come to, man.
Come to this, I wanna go wild.
I'm versatile.
Let's see if I get cooked, man.
Yes, peeps. Hold on, man. Bless up. Turn on, man. Special guest. Come with that camera, man. See it there? That's how we do it. Bless up Mama Sue with one half a bunch of bananas.
Yes.
Wild and versatile.
Yes, peeps. When I guest carry some banana for me. Respect
For all aspects.
every aspect. I really appreciate.
Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. So you know the style already. Yeah, man. Nice. You know the style. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. So as soon as you put up new videos like I want here, you get notified. Respect to all aspects. Mama, home. Pick up your fans then. We'll close out the show.
Yes, peeps. As my son said, respect to every aspect. Just hit that little notification bell. Bing!
So when you put up new video,
you can get notified.
like, share.
This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Soul style. Yes, peeps. Thank you for watching. Blessings. Bless up. Stay safe. Yeah, man.